Hi and welcome to my first episode of trying to make a game from scratch without any game engine in GameSol and so on. What's happening here? I just want to make a game with Monogame. It was XNA in the past years, but now it's called Monogame. Now we just have three things in the scene. One is the grid, two is the model, and three is the flying camera, which help us to fly around what we are building. And I'm just trying to make my model with Mesh AI. And another one which I want to use in later is TurboSR. You can download this on the GitHub and run it for free. Then you can generate your image in the Bing or such stuff you want. Then generate your model from nothing and it's just come from your idea.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
The current code is small and just has a few things to handle what you see. There are three main classes. The first one is the camera, which you can fly around and calculate projection and view matrix. The second one is the grid. It can help for a visual debug and check the model scales and indicate the other visual things. And the third one is the entity, which is similar to the game object in the Unity. The entity has a few things within: position, rotation and scale. Position, rotation and scale and model. I'm using visual for my sum functions, so I can override this function when I make a class and inherit it from entity. Thank you for watching the video till the end and feel free to hit the subscribe button.